Galatians chapter 3 challenges us to remember that our relationship with Jesus began with grace, not law. The Apostle Paul reminds the Galatians that they received the Spirit through faith, not by their own efforts. He warns against relying on self-performance after starting with grace, emphasizing that true confidence comes from trusting in Jesus and his finished work on the cross. Let's stay rooted in grace, knowing that our blessings come from his unmerited favor, not our works. Embrace his love and step into the blessings he has for you.